Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is t-shirt design. So let's start and make a t-shirt design. So first of all, what I will do that I will fix the thumbnail, then I will go for the main design, which is t-shirt design. So let's start. Here you can see. Then I will change its color. Change this color. I will change this color as which color will be the perfect here. I want to be the perfect here, so make it perfect, and I will make it perfect here. So here you can see, and I will make this color and how it look like. I think it's look pretty good. Now I am going for the save here. You can see it's saving. Now I will export it as PNG format. Here you can see it's PNG, and export it. Okay, and replace it with the past. Here you can see. Now I will go for the new. I need a new template for the t-shirt design. So here you can see I will take 10 into 10 inch template. Today I will make some different with my artwork. So let's see which I will do. Here you can see. You can see here. I made a t-shirt. I'm making a t-shirt. Yes, this is a t-shirt, and I will change this color. Today I will make it this color. This is on here, and now I am going for the design. So every time we have to take this, like, hmm, PIRDS, bird, EYE, bird's eye. So let's make it bigger and make it which font will be the perfect here. Yeah, I get this font, and I will go for the create outline here, create outline and go for the ungroup this, and I will make it change here. Here I will make this color and it should be the yellow, orange and yellow color. Then I will, sorry, uh, here I will make another things. No masking path, create outline, text along path. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's make some things. Okay, sorry. Here you can see. Sorry. Lorem ipsum. Then I will make it. Then you can see how to make something character rotation. And now I will delete this, and now also delete this. And so here you can see I am going to, sorry, here I'm going to, here this is the t-shirt design, and I am going for the new things here today. So let's see how to make some rotation, make it 0 degree, and then sorry. Okay, I will change here something. uh, I will give some effect here. So let's see. Here Here I will change its color and decrease it, and I will make stroke bigger. Here you can see this is the today's t-shirt design, and I will show the more things on the next class. And please watch my video and do subscribe my channel and be with us. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.